Hashes modeled flat objects. Lists model ordered sequences. Think of a list as a conveyor belt of string elements. Producers push jobs on one end, workers pop from the other. The same structure also powers recent activity feeds when you trim to a fixed length. Order is the point, you control head and tail with left and right commands. A Redis list has a left end and a right end. LPUSH inserts at the left. RPUSH inserts at the right. LPOP removes from the left. RPOP removes from the right. That flexibility lets one structure behave like a FIFO queue or a LIFO stack depending on which pair you use. Visualize the ends before memorizing command names. For a classic first-in, first-out queue, RPUSH new work onto the right and LPOP from the left. The oldest job leaves first. Example, RPUSH queue emails a welcome payload, then another reset payload. LPOP queue emails returns the welcome job first. This is the default pattern for simple background email or webhook workers. Busy polling with LPOP wastes CPU when the queue is empty. BRPOP queue emails 0 blocks the client until an element is available, then returns it. The 0 timeout means wait forever. A positive timeout returns nil after waiting. Producers still RPUSH. Workers sleep efficiently inside Redis instead of spinning in application code. For a recent activity feed, LPUSH each event so newest items sit at the left. Without a bound, the list grows forever. After each push, LTRIM user 42 activity 09 keeps indexes 0 through 9, 10 events total. LRANGE user 42 activity 01 then returns the feed. Bounded lists protect memory while still feeling real time. LLEN queue emails returns the depth as the queue, useful for metrics and back pressure alerts. LINDEX list 0 returns the element at an index without removing it. LRANGE list 09 returns a window of elements. Use these for dashboards and debugging. Prefer BRPOP for actual consumption so jobs are not processed twice from a peak. Remember the pairing rules. RPUSH with LPOP yields FIFO, oldest processed first. RPUSH with RPOP yields LIFO, newest processed first, like a stack. LPUSH with LPOP is also LIFO on the left side. Caption mistakes here confuse learners, so lock the pairs, choose ends deliberately, and document them in your worker code comments. List queues are simple and fast, but reliability has a gap. LPOP or BRPOP removes the job immediately. If the worker crashes after the pop and before finishing side effects, that job is lost. There is no built-in acknowledgement. For critical work that must retry after crashes, Redis streams with consumer groups and exec are the better tool. Use lists when loss on crash is acceptable or compensated elsewhere. Scale consumers by running multiple workers. BRPOPing the same key. Redis gives each job to one blocked client. That provides competing consumers without extra locks. Watch queue depth with LLEN. If depth climbs, add workers or slow producers. Still remember the crash loss limitation until you move critical paths to streams. Some teams mitigate loss by moving a job from the wait queue to a processing list with LMOVE, then deleting it after success. If a worker dies, a sweeper can reclaim stuck processing items. This pattern is more work than streams acknowledgement, but it can improve list-based systems that are not ready to migrate yet. BRPOP accepts multiple keys and a timeout. BRPOP queue high queue default, 5 waits up to 5 seconds across both lists and returns the first job available, preferring earlier keys when ties occur at the same moment. Use priority queues by key order. Use timeouts so workers can periodically heartbeat or exit cleanly for deploys. Pick lists when you want low overhead FIFO or LIFO processing and can tolerate rare loss on crash, or when you only need a bounded recent activity view. Prefer streams when you need persistence of the message, history, acknowledgements, consumer groups, or replay. Prefer sorted sets when delay scheduling by timestamp matters, covered soon. Mistakes to avoid: forgetting LTRIM on feeds, using keys style ops elsewhere while ignoring LLEN metrics, documenting FIFO but coding RPUSH with RPOP, popping in one process and peaking with LINDEX in another without a locking story, treating list queues as exactly. Once durable delivery, keep lists bounded, pair ends correctly, and escalate to streams when reliability requirements rise. Here is what to remember. Lists store ordered elements with left and right operations. RPUSH and LPOP give FIFO queues. Blocking BRPOP avoids polling. LPUSH+LTRIM builds bounded activity feeds. Multiple workers can compete on one list. POP removes work immediately. For acknowledgement and retry, use streams next. Next lesson, sets for unique membership and set algebra.